Good morning, students. Today we will do this topic, lesson number 4, the Western Desert. Now, what is desert? Desert means an area of land where there is very long stretch of loose sand and it is very dry area and very less rainfall. So this type of landform is called desert. Now, in which state of India, can you tell me, children, which state of India do you have this Western Desert? Yes, you are correct. It is Rajasthan. The other name of this Western Desert is also called the Thar Desert. So, the Great Indian Desert is also known as the Thar Desert. Children, Sahara Desert is the largest desert in the whole world. In this topic, the Western Desert, we will know that what is a desert. Desert means an area with loose sand, and in this area you have very less rainfall, and that's why there is hardly any vegetation in this desert area. Now, the Great Indian Desert, it is in the west of Aravalli Hills. It is located in the west of Aravalli Hills and it stretches from Rann of Kutch, Gujarat to the borders of Haryana. So this is the area from where it is located, the Rann of Kutch to borders of Haryana. And the land here is very infertile. You have loose sand and that's why you have sand dunes. What are sand dunes? Sand dunes are hills of sand which is made up of loose sand, and it is very dangerous, quite dangerous at the time of storms, because the sand dunes can move from one place to another, shift from one place to another due to storms, and they are hills of sand and they are called sand dunes. Again, in the desert you have oasis. Now, what is oasis? A very few places there is little water sources, maybe a stream which is there, because there is hardly any rainfall, so most of the time they are dry, but sometimes there is water there, and the place surrounding that water source where little bit of greenery is there is called oasis. Now, children, there is very few streams in Rajasthan, and because there is hardly any rainfall or very less rainfall, they remain dry throughout the year. The most important river flowing in Rajasthan is the Luni River, and there are some oases found near that Luni River. The climate generally, as you all know, desert is hot and dry because extreme temperature, the land remains very hot, and in the daytime you have hot days, and the night the temperature falls drastically and it is quite cool in winters. Especially in winters you have warm days and very cool nights, and in summers you have very hot days and the nights are comparatively cooler, and it remains dry because there is little rainfall, or sometimes there is hardly any rainfall, so little or no rainfall. Now, naturally there is very less natural vegetation in that area, and you have bushes, and mainly bushes are there and thorny shrubs are there. And by the name, when we say desert, the thing that comes to your mind is cactus. Yes, you have those thorny bushes growing in this desert area. So you have these trees which you find there are kejri, peaker and bamboo. Babul tree you can see in Gujarat also, where that toothpaste made out of babul tree. And kejri and peaker are some other trees that are found in this great Indian desert. Now coming to animals, the name of that animal that strikes you is camel. Yes. What is camel called? Camel is called the ship of the desert. By the word ship, you will say there is no water. Yes, there is no water. So camel is considered as the ship of the desert, because camel can survive in this hot weather, extreme hot weather. They have padded feet, and they can walk miles after miles in that hot, loose sand, and they can survive without water for a long time because they store their water in the humps. So they are called the ship of the desert. So camels you can find over there. Then you get blackbucks, then you get chinkaras and great Indian bustards. Mainly these animals are found in the desert area. Then the water supply. Now you must have seen the pictures of women walking a long distance carrying pots over their head to fetch water, because water is not available everywhere in the desert area. So what the government has done, they have built a canal which is called Indira Gandhi Canal. It's a long canal which has been built from connecting Rajasthan with Satluj river. So they get water from that Satluj river, and little bit of farming could be done with that water. And so you get, the farmers grow little bit of wheat, mustard and cotton over there. But again and again I am saying that the desert area, mainly the places where there is long stretch of loose sand, there is hardly any farming could be done there. So, but Indira Gandhi Canal has provided water to the great Indian desert, or the third desert. Now coming to the occupation, what type of work the people in the Thar desert do. They mostly they keep their sheep, goat and camel, and they take them for grazing, and their products are sold and they earn the money. There are farmers who grow little bit of jowar, bajra, maize. Then there are banjaras. Now I think you have seen people, nomadic people who don't have a permanent house and they move from one place to another. In Gujarat also you must have seen, they take their herd of goats and sheep and they move from one place to another. And they are nomadic people. These banjaras are very common in Rajasthan because there is very less water, and so they have to move from one place to another in search of water and food for themselves as well as their animals they keep. So these banjaras' life is very difficult in Rajasthan. Now what type of houses they found over there are mostly they have flat roof house with very few small windows, because windows are small so that the heat doesn't enter the houses, and walls are very thick to keep it cool so that they can absorb the heat. The walls can absorb the heat because it's very hot over there. And some houses they have underground tanks to store waters, and they are called tankas, Tanks. They are underground tanks. Tanks are those big places where storage facility is there, and they store water because hardly any rainfall and they have to store water, and they are known as tankas. And what type of dress? Mostly you must have seen people in Rajasthan, they wear ghagra choli. The women, they wear ghagra choli and oni, and men wear dhoti kurta with a turban on their head. Dal bati churma, which you might have enjoyed, the dish is very famous dish of Rajasthan. Then the festivals that are celebrated in Rajasthan are Gangur and Teej. These are the two very important festivals of Rajasthan, which women especially they do some they do some festivals, and they keep these festivals they celebrate it very pomp and show. And then you have the dances which are celebrated, which are very famous over there, are Ghumar and Khalbeli. These are the dance forms of Rajasthan, which is very famous, are Ghumar and Khalbeli. And then coming to the cities, you all know that Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. It's one of the most important city of Rajasthan. Then you have Jodhpur, then you have Bikaner, then you have Jaisalmer. These are the important cities of Rajasthan. And Jaipur is also called Pink City because old houses are made of pink stones, and blue pottery is very famous in Jaipur. So these are the most important things of this Great Indian Desert. The Great Indian Desert, as you all know, is also called Thar Desert. It is located in Rajasthan. It stretches from Rann of Kutch to the borders of Haryana. There is flat, loose sand, and you have sand dunes over there. Luni is the most important river over there, and the Indira Gandhi Canal is being built to facilitate people with water. And then you have those camel is called the ship of the desert. You have some very few shrubs and bushes go over there, and then people are mostly rearing sheep, goat and camel, and there are few farmers who grow jowar, bajra and maize, and there are banjaras who roam from one place to another in search of livelihood. And you have this underground tanks which are built, those are called tankas, and you have very few houses with flat roof and small windows, and mostly people wear ghagra choli and only dhoti kurta and turban. Men wear, and women wear ghagra choli and only. Then you have the famous dish of dal bati churma. Gangur and Teej are the most important festivals in Thar Desert, and the dance forms are Ghumar and Khalbeli. And Jaipur is the most important city, which is also called Pink City with blue pottery. Okay, thank you children.